And here on the left side, we're going to see the Lewis Bridge in town. Mind your head. I don't want one elephant in three different. And here, the funny face. These are also the bridge of lovers. Young married people, they come on the bridge to make some pictures. You know when you've been married, it's game over. Finish with a good life.
It's beautiful.
We have the lake of love, and the level of the water of the lake is 1 meter higher on the other side than here. So the luggage under the bridge, they control the level.
It's beautiful. My God, look at that.
We have
Hello.
70 white swans here in Bruges. On a 70 ou 70 cygnes blancs ici à Bruges. Et tous les cygnes blancs, ils sont de la ville. Ils sont protégés. All the white swans, they belong to the city. They are protected. When you see a swan here in Bruges, 5 years in jail. Quand on tue les belles-mères sont pas protégées. Only the white swan. She was restored 2015, only the small bricks on one side. Le pont Hydromel, le plus vieux pont de la ville, 1390. And I was thinking, when I had to kiss her, I needed almost a 300.